Alright, so what I've got here today is another samurai handsaw. This is the Benkei Daichi. And the one difference between this and the other ones that we'll follow up with here, this has the narrow spine, you know, so it's narrower than the curve, so it's less likely to bind in the cut. And it has the same blades that's on the Ichiban series, you know, your tooth pattern, except about every 20 millimeters it's got a large gullet there, which will help clear out your really pulpy softwood chips in a large cut. So this would be a good one to use if you're cutting, lots of large diameter, pine, fir, cottonwood, stuff like that. And again, it's got the green handle because it is in the Ichiban series. And there you go. Alright, so what I've got here is the three sizes in the Ichiban series. So we'll start out with the 15 3/4 inch. So this is the Ichiban, green handle, less hook on the large handle here. And same thing, the spine's narrower than our cutting edge. Very aggressive cutting, impulse hardened teeth, super sharp saw. Be really good for making large diameter cuts. And it comes with a plastic sheath that you can either hang on your harness or put down on your leg, and it's got the foam padding to protect your leg. And then next in line, this is my own scabbard here, is the 13-inch version of the Ichiban. Same deal. This is very comparable to the Zubat. This is one of my favorite hand saws. Really sharp cutting edge. The hook on the handle keeps it in your hand. I like it. And then another one that I use is the 9-inch version of the Ichiban. It's just handy to have a handsaw no matter what. A lot of times I find that having a short handsaw on my belt is preferable to the 13s or the 15s. And what I've got it in here is the stock scabbard that it comes with that I've put inside of a saw pod, which is handy because you can put this on any type of scabbard. I can put the saw pod on here and it'll allow it to be attached easily to my leg. Which I prefer a lot of the time, having this smaller size handsaw out of my way, down there on my leg. It's easy to reach. There you go. I'm going to show you the 9-inch Ichiban going through a 2-inch piece of cedar. So that's a new blade, but very, very good cutting saw. So here's the 13-inch Ichiban. This is an old blade, but it'll give you an idea of, it's still excellent cutting.